Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today on Sunday. Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday edition. Saturday, March the 25th, 2023. And in this puzzle page, we have two puzzles left. The Sudoku with 1 star. Yeah, this one has 27 printed digits, but it's indicated with 3 stars, so I don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. And we have one binary puzzle left, 10 by 10. Later on I will do the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. The Friday edition we have 3 puzzles left, and after that I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, Samurai Sudoku. So a lot of puzzles for today, 5 puzzles. Okay, let me start with this one. This one will be number 6171. No. 6173. No. 6174. 6174. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've told you this one has 27 printed digits. Should be the 1 star puzzle. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 3 numbers left now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this row, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5, okay. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have 8 and a 6 in this row, so no 8 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 and 9, we have a 7 now in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, then 8, 2, 2. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then 8, 2, the 9. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, no need to place left for the 4 should be here or there. We here or there. We see a 4 in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 3, 4, 9, 8. Yeah. 4, 4, okay. 9. Oh, need a 5 here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and the 8 are missing. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe, yeah. The 4 and the 7 in this column, the 4 and the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. And look, we have 4 and the 7 in the third row. No 4 and the 7 in this box. 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, we have a 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be there, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. So 3 and the 5 are left as a pair. 1, 2, 3. 1 is missing in the third row. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing in the third row. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing in the third row. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this big square, so no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in the third row for number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, Need a 6, yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. All right, 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, definitely a 1 star, 10 minutes. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one, so really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also with myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this puzzle page, the binary puzzle 10 by 10. Until then, bye-bye for now.